Hey guys, welcome back to EMS and Power Melbourne Shuffle. My name is Gribbz. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. This lesson is going to be going over the demo for spins. I showed one new thing where you can go up on your toes by thrusting upwards like that. Just something different for you guys to try. But my main course or my main spin that I use in Melbourne Shuffle is the simple like X-plant spin. You go over like that. Okay, so we're gonna go off to a couple songs here, and then yeah, you'll be on your way. Let's go. So it's always good to do it before like a drop. And don't just stand there, you want to build up. Alright, so clearly you can see faster the song, sometimes it'll be more difficult if you're not used to it, okay? And a couple of times you saw me going like this, like I said in the last tutorial, because I didn't have my balance. So I didn't have like the correct footing. So don't give up. Don't just exit the spin. Nail the spin. If you have to do that a couple times, and then go into it, do so. Okay? And the more you do that, you'll get better at doing it on the first try every time. Alright guys, here we go. So, try my best to do the super duper fast one here. The one with the arms at the head. The one with the arms at the chest. And then I did the explant. Okay. So, again, it's just practice, okay? That's all it is. So, keep it up. The more you drill this, the more you'll find your center of gravity, the smoother your spins will look. Okay, so that's all I have for you guys right now. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for more content in the future, okay? See you guys on the dance floor someday, hopefully. And keep shuffling, alright? Later. Peace.